Are you looking for the best blenders combo for frozen fruit drinks, sauces? In this video we will look at some of the best blenders combo for frozen fruit drinks, sauces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blender 600 ml Electric Juicer Fruit Mixers. Enjoying a fresh and healthy drink anywhere becomes simple with this new portable Blender 600 ml electric juicer. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry whether at the office, gym, or while traveling, helping you enjoy smoothies, juices, or shakes without any effort. Built with a strong 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, it gives you freedom to blend your favorite fruits whenever you need, without being tied to a power outlet. The colorful style adds charm while also making it an attractive companion for daily life. Customers love how it saves both time and money, turning ordinary moments into something refreshing. Instead of buying expensive drinks outside, you can prepare your own natural mixes with complete control over taste and ingredients. Its user-friendly operation makes it suitable for busy routines and ensures every sip feels fresh and energizing. Investing in this personal juicer is not only about convenience, it is about choosing a healthier and smarter lifestyle. Number 2. Portable Blender, Cordless, 18 ounces, vessel. Carrying a refreshing drink everywhere feels effortless with this portable Blender Cordless personal juicer. The 18-ounce vessel is designed for those who want to enjoy smoothies, shakes, or fresh juice at home, in the office, or while traveling. Its practical size makes it easy to take along, while the colorful look adds style to your daily routine. With its rechargeable design through modern universal serial bus Type-C connection, you can keep it ready anytime, avoiding the need for constant charging. This personal blender brings the joy of making your own healthy beverages quickly, saving both time and money compared to store-bought drinks. It gives you freedom to prepare natural blends with the fruits and ingredients you prefer, ensuring every sip matches your taste. The smooth texture and refreshing flavors create a feeling of satisfaction and energy throughout the day. Choosing this compact juicer is more than convenience, it is a step toward healthier living and a smarter lifestyle. Number 3. BioloMix Cold Press Juicer. The BioloMix Cold Press Juicer with 130mm feed chute brings a fresh way to enjoy natural drinks straight from whole fruits and vegetables. Its slow masticating process preserves the rich taste and nutrients, giving every glass a pure and satisfying flavor. Instead of relying on packaged options, you can experience the joy of creating your own blends at home, full of vitamins and freshness that energize the body and mind. This juicer turns healthy living into something simple, making it easier to add natural juices to your daily routine. Families appreciate the high juice yield that reduces waste while providing more value from every piece of produce. The design feels reliable for long-term use and helps build healthier habits without extra effort. Choosing this slow juicer means more than making drinks. It is about taking control of what you consume and enjoying the feeling of wellness that comes from natural, homemade flavors every single day. Number 4. BioloMix 1300 Watts Smoothie Blender. The BioloMix 1300 Watt Smoothie Blender with 1.5 liter glass jar brings the joy of creating delicious drinks into everyday life. Its powerful performance helps you prepare refreshing fruit blends, creamy shakes, or flavorful sauces with ease, turning ordinary moments into something special. The strong design makes it suitable for both personal use and sharing, giving you freedom to enjoy homemade beverages that taste fresh and natural every time. People love the feeling of control this blender provides, as it allows them to choose their own ingredients and avoid the hidden sugars often found in store-bought options. The solid glass jar adds a sense of quality while making it perfect for frequent use in a busy lifestyle. Whether you want to start your day with a smooth drink or prepare something energizing after work, This personal blender combo is made to fit seamlessly into your routine and inspire healthier choices without sacrificing taste or comfort. Number 5. Smart Blender Soybean Milk Maker Electric Juicer. The Smart Blender Soybean Milk Maker transforms simple ingredients into nourishing drinks and meals that feel homemade with every sip. Its design brings together convenience and freshness, letting you prepare smooth soya milk, rice paste, or healthy breakfast blends without relying on processed options. The comforting taste of natural ingredients makes mornings brighter and supports a lifestyle that values both health and flavor. For busy individuals, this electric juicer is more than just a kitchen tool. It is a way to create satisfying meals that fit easily into daily routines. You can prepare warm, creamy drinks for the whole family or enjoy a quick energy boost before starting the day. The wall breaker technology ensures a silky texture that feels rich and full, giving each drink the taste of care and quality. Choosing this soy milk maker is not only about saving time but also about enjoying healthier living with food made exactly the way you like it.